The perfect walking tour of Tokyo. What do we find? The land of the rising sun. Welcome to Tokyo, the ultimate playground for our high-tech explorer. Blending ancient shrines with futuristic neon. We're speedrunning. Let's go! First stop, Shibuya Crossing. It's the busiest intersection on Earth. Up to 3,000 people cross at once. Look for the Hachiko statue. He's the world's most loyal dog who waited for his owner here every day for 9 years in the 1930s. To get around faster, we're jumping into these go-karts. Yes, you can actually race through the streets of Tokyo in real life. It's like Mario Kart come to life. Time to get high. Tokyo Tower was inspired by the Eiffel Tower, but it's actually taller. Let's slow it down at Senso-ji, Tokyo's oldest temple. Pass through the Kaminaraman Gate. That lantern weighs 700 kilograms. Next, let's catch the sumo show. Watch for the Shigo leg stomps and salt throwing. It's all about purifying the ring and intimidating the opponent. If you're here in spring, you'll catch the sakura. Cherry blossoms represent the impermanence of life. They're beautiful, but they don't last long. Back to the chaos in Shinjuku. Look up, there's a literal giant Godzilla head looming over the Toho cinema. He even roars every hour. From there, we're hitting Akihabara, also known as Electric Town. It's the mecca for anime manga, and every gadget you can imagine. You can't leave Tokyo without eating. From conveyor belt sushi to a 5 Wagyu beef skewers at the outer markets. Your taste buds will thank you. Tokyo has more Michelin stars than any other city. That's Tokyo, so much more to uncover in the world's biggest metropolis. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations. I'm blasting off and we'll see you in the next city.